People are afraid because no electricity. People are afraid because Iran, US, Israel war continues. There's no oil, petrol, octane, or diesel. Lot of problems, and the rise of electricity price, the rise of oil price. These are all really hovering over our heads, and we're very, very unhappy, especially because we don't get electricity intact. Yesterday was horrible. It was kind of plus 6 hours, 3 times or 4 times electricity went off, especially as I usually use laptop internet. That's why I have understood, and it's a serious problem for me. Those who are farmers can get outside and they can enjoy talking to one another. That's how they feel fine. That's true. And those who are hardworking can fall asleep as soon as they touch the pillars. No problem. And they're a little bit resilient. They can tolerate the temperature even when the temperature is higher, even when it is lower. The working people can adjust because they have powerful uh, gallbladder. That is the. Sometimes I can't remember words. I just get lost a little bit, blank at the age, right? It happens. So thyroid hormone. So you have thyroid glands. That's how you control the temperature. A girl has got better thyroid machine software because the girl doesn't take off her clothes. So even when it's too hot, she keeps wearing the clothes. And if it is so cold, still she doesn't have all the clothes because she wants to beautify herself. If she keeps all the things around her body, then she will look odd. She will look ugly. So there are reasons. So we are very much intimidated whenever we find the summer starts. There's a serious problem that electricity can be a serious problem. But the thing is that it's not always, but especially this year, we have marked that probably the electric crisis may be serious. And there's a problem of government change. The previous government has had a lot of problems. I don't know what wrong Sheikh Hasina did, what wrong others did. I don't know. Because I stay home, I don't have any idea. But the thing is that we used to get electricity. We got a lot of good roads. We found the prices of commodities were as usual, and there were no fightings as many as nowadays for 2 years we see. These are the things we see front that we have a lot of commotion, fighting, cooling, no well management of oil, no well management of electricity. There are problems. So I don't know much about it, but the thing is that when I compare 17 years, I was not unhappy. There's so many things available. Things were all just going, no strike, no hostel. I didn't know. And no muggings, no snatching, not many murders compared to the situation for these last 2 years. So I'm not going to give you that idea because I'm not in this arena. I'm not supposed to. But the thing is that a lot of problems we have faced, a lot of damages occurred, and electric trouble is a serious problem. Very difficult to say what would happen to oil crisis if the previous government was here. And in Noakhali, there was a severe flood, a lot of damages, a lot of people died, a lot of cattle and everything damaged. So probably the previous government, if they were in power, they might take it because of experience, because of Sheikh Hasina's plan, because her father was the greatest leader, so many things. But I don't mean that I favor some party and I don't the other. No. As I contemplate, as I find things, as I observe, as I always spend my time through contemplation, I just have found out. So things are bad, but you can't say these are bad unless you know what's even going to be worse or better. So people's government very bad if you think, but you have to find out whether it's going to be even worse if the new government comes in. That's the point. So it's a matter of compare and contrast. When you say something good, all right. When you say something bad, fine. But you have to compare. Is it better than that? Is it worse than that like this?